Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every afternoon Eastern Time, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time every day, Monday through Friday. We just got done and we're going to do the trade of the day. These are trades that have been taken in the live trading room, either by myself or by traders in the room, most of the time both. And we're going to go ahead and go through the one today. It's going to be very similar to what we've done in the past. Very easy trading plan, really. We look for the failure, and then we'll take the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. So we'll notice we're trading S&P. We trade the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ in the live trading room. So we'll trade ES today. We'll notice that our ATM is going to be 8s, 16s, and 32s. Our average size candle is going to be about 28 to 50 ticks. So we need an ATM and target setting that's going to match that. We actually could go a little bit longer, but we just want to make sure we get it taken out. We do have a few things in the way as far as brick walls, but the overall pattern suggests that since the buyers have come up here and failed multiple times at the 50 of the day, now we get a very strong candle going back the other way. And how do I know this is a very strong candle? It's because we have our little strong candle indicator, a little red arrow pointing short, because that's the direction we're going to trade. And then the number tells us how much more powerful this candle is to the previous candle. So the current beautiful big red candle short here is 6 times more powerful than the previous candle, meaning this is highly likely to get paid at minimum our first target. With our ATM, this is what it looks like. We're going for 8 ticks, 16 ticks, and 32 ticks. We get a 16 tick stop. From where we get in, we're going to have to expand that a little bit. But once we get our first target taken out, we have no more risk on the trade, and then we'll just let it free flow and see if we can get our larger targets. So that's basically the setup. Let's go ahead and start this. We'll start it at regular speed. We're going to go short, so we're going to sell. We got a nice retrace. We'll go off the body of the candle. And we'll stop it whenever it's necessary to stop. So if it doesn't come back and pick us up, it just wants to continue back along again. That's why we wait for the retrace. So the retrace is happening. If this now fails again, it'll be yet another failure for the buyers going up to the top here. It'll fail very short. It looks like a 50 fib failure of the previous candle. That's exactly what it is. It's a perfect place for it to fail and come pick us up. If it does, that's actually the most recent failure point, but we're going to have to put our stop up here just to be on the safe side. And when we get picked up, we'll speed it up a little bit. Guess I should change this over to this, make it a little easier to see. Can you all see that easier? All right, we're just going to have to wait just a little bit, maybe speed it up until it gets closer to our entry point. There we go. Now we'll slow it down. Just make sure we get picked up and all of our targets set. So when we get picked up, we'll show you what's going on. Actually, the PVI is a little bit larger than I had thought. We're up in the 30s now. So we probably should make our targets a little bit bigger, but that's okay. 816. Our first target is 25% of what this number is right here. And we'll see. This is a really big market. These are 10 tick horizontals in between. So each 10 tick horizontal represents 120 US dollars per contract. So here we go. All right, we get picked up. The first thing we're going to do is move our stop to where it belongs. And now we wait for our first target to be taken out. No, so it's going to come by and it's going to make another retrace. And we just need to wait it out. We'll go ahead and speed it up a bit. Okay, took out our 8 tick target. Now notice that automatically our stop went from way up here to break even position. Now the purpose of this is one, we get to de-risk the trade early. So we don't have to sit there and hold a large amount of risk for a long period of time. Now we get to speed it in this. If it comes back and takes us out of break even, I have a choice to make. I can re-enter this. And, I'm basically hedging my bet here. So if it comes back, takes us out of break even, we'll see how far it wants to go long, and then we'll put another order on. But for right now, let's see how we go. All right, so 8s and 16s are out. You can decide whether you want to move your stuff to a +1 or just leave it where it is, at like -7, 6 or 7. That's our 32 tick target out in basically less than 5 minutes. We just made, how much is that? 800? 800 US dollars in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make 800 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the US closed live trading room every day from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be happy to show you. So that's samuraidaytrading.com, trade of the day. Great seeing you. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care and have a beautiful day.